Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLRY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low point during that opening 30 minutes, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed on the day, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a very nice bounce over the course of the day. But that does lead to the question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of true power, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 110. Why is 110 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 110. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would the price be doing at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price heads down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the quote-unquote progress point as, again, the $110 mark. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at right now, key level going into tomorrow is going to be right up there around 125. If the price can push through the 125 mark, then the next overarching area of resistance is that purple line up there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. But no really need to talk about the 50-period right now. I guess I'm getting a little ahead of myself because the bulls first have to prove themselves in the sense of getting up above 125. But if the bulls can push through 125, then yeah, at that point it begins to make more sense to talk about doing battle with the 50-period up there. Overall, though, any way you look at it, nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.